Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, students.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, Miss.
How are you today?
I'm fine, Miss. And you?
I'm good too. Thank you for asking me. Yumana, are you ready to learn today?
Yes, Miss.
Okay, before we start our class today, let's say basmalah together. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim.
Okay, next I will check the attendance list first. Kalau Miss panggil namanya, tolong dijawab ya. Baby Utami,
Present, Miss.
Wahyuni Juliani, Oke, thank you hadir semua ya. Before we move to the next lesson, Miss mau tanya, apakah kalian sudah mengerti materi yang lalu, or do you still have any question about it?
Sudah mengerti, Miss.
Okay, well, kalau sudah mengerti, we move to the next lesson. Okay, today's meeting is about introducing yourself and others. Sebentar, Miss bakal share screen. Sudah kelihatan?
Sudah, Miss.
Oke, jadi materi kita hari ini adalah introducing yourself and others. Ada yang sudah familiar dan tahu apa itu introducing yourself and others?
Saya, Miss.
Ya, baby.
Memperkenalkan diri dan yang lainnya.
Ya, betul. Jadi, introducing yourself and others adalah memperkenalkan diri sendiri dan yang lain, dan orang lain. Kemudian, secara lengkapnya, Miss, what is introducing yourself? Jadi, introducing yourself adalah memperkenalkan diri kepada orang lain in order to get to know each other. Jadi, memperkenalkan diri supaya kita kenal sama orang lain. Kemudian, Miss, what is introducing others? Jadi, introducing others adalah memperkenalkan orang lain kepada orang baru in order to get to know each other. Sampai sini, mengerti?
Miss.
Oke, mengerti ya. Jadi kalau misalnya ditanya, Miss, apa sih tujuan kita belajar introducing yourself and others? Jadi tujuan kita belajar introducing yourself and others ini adalah agar kita bisa memperkenalkan diri dengan baik dan benar sesuai situasinya. Kalau gimana nanti kalau misalnya kita memperkenalkan diri di situasi yang formal dan informal. Sebenarnya ini hal yang basic karena kita juga harus memperkenalkan diri kepada orang lain agar kita bisa membangun relasi yang baru. Oke, selanjutnya purpose, structure, and language features. Jadi, the purpose of introducing yourself and others adalah to tell specific information about personal identity in order to get in touch and build new relationship. Jadi, seperti yang udah Miss bilang tadi, kalau fungsi dari introducing yourself ini adalah untuk memberitahukan spesifik informasi tentang kita, tentang diri kita, kepada orang lain untuk membangun relasi yang baru. Kemudian generic structure of introducing yourself and others. Yang pertama, greeting. Jadi sebelum kita memperkenalkan diri, kita harus greeting dulu. Jangan tiba-tiba memperkenalkan diri aja. Biar kesannya lebih sopan. Jadi greeting ini bisa hi, hello, atau bisa menanyakan kabar dulu, how are you? Atau misalnya good morning, good evening, good afternoon, atau assalamualaikum, dan greetings yang lain. Pokoknya yang pertama kita harus melakukan greeting. Yang kedua adalah telling about personal identity. Bisa your name, your age, your address, and etc. Bisa kalian tambahin kalau misalnya kalian mau memperkenalkan hobi kalian suka denger lagu apa, terserah kalian. Pokoknya tell your personal identity. Setelah greeting, telling about personal identity, And then you have to close your introducing by saying nice to meet you or see you. Jadi kita butuh pembuka, inti, dan penutup. Sampai sini paham?
Paham, Miss.
Oke, next language features. Jadi di sini there are two language features in introducing yourself and others. Yang pertama, using simple present tense. So you have to use simple present tense. Simple present tense rumusnya apa? Ada yang masih ingat? Subject.
Subject plus verb 1 plus object or complement, Miss.
Okay, thank you, baby. That's right. So, simple present tense itu subject plus verb plus object. Contohnya itu kayak my name is baby. Jadi di situ kita menggunakan simple present tense. And then the second one is using pronoun. Pronoun ini adalah contohnya my name is baby. So the pronoun is my. And then her name is Wahyuni. So the pronoun is her. His name is Bara. So the pronoun is
His.
That's great. Excellent. Thank you, baby. And then next, expressions to introduce yourself and others. So there are two ways to introduce yourself, formal and informal. Formal is used when you introduce yourself to others that older than you or in formal situation. Jadi, formal introducing itu kalian gunakan ketika kalian mau memperkenalkan diri kepada orang baru yang tampaknya lebih tua dan di situasi yang formal. Sedangkan informal is used when you want to introduce yourself to a new friends younger or has the same age as you, surely in informal situation. Jadi bedanya kalau misalnya formal ini kita memperkenalkan diri kepada orang yang lebih tua atau di situasi yang formal, sedangkan informal itu kita memperkenalkan diri kepada orang yang memiliki umur yang sama dengan kita atau yang lebih muda. Okay, so I would like to ask you to read the example formal and informal. Yang formal Miss minta Feby untuk membacakannya dan yang informal Wahyuni Juliani.
Okay, Miss. Formal. Hi, I would like to introduce myself. My name is Baby. Good morning. Let me introduce myself. My name is Baby. Nice to meet you. Good afternoon. May I introduce myself? My name is Baby.
Okay, great. Thank you, Baby. And then the informal one, Wahyuni Juliani, please.
Informal. Hi, I'm Wahyuni Juliani. I'm from Padang Sidimpuan. Hi guys, my name is Wahyuni Juliani. Nice to meet you all. Hello, I'm Wahyuni Juliani from Padang Sidimpuan. See you.
Okay, great. Thank you, Wahyuni. Dari contoh ini udah tahu kan perbedaan bagaimana yang formal dan informal?
Yes, Miss.
Okay. Oke, karena tadi kita sudah belajar bagaimana cara memperkenalkan diri kita. Next is how to introduce others. The first one is the example. PB, please meet Yun. I would like you to meet. You have to mention someone's name. For example, I would like you to meet PB. And then PB, this is Yun. Yun, this is PB. And the last one is I would like to introduce to PB. Oke, sampai sini paham?
Miss.
Okay. Next, yeah. Okay, here are the dialogue example of introducing yourself. So, Miss Minta, I would like you to read the dialogue, PBS Baby and Yun S. Wahyuni. Please go on.
Hi, my name is PB. I'm your new classmate.
Hi PB, I am you. Where are you from?
I come from Kudus.
Where do you live? I live in Raya Street.
Me too. My house is number 33. Please come to my house after school.
Sure. Thank you. Nice to know you, Bibi.
Nice to know you too.
Oke, thank you Feby dan Wahyuni. So, ini adalah example bagaimana cara memperkenalkan diri kita kepada orang baru. Okay, next, here is the example of introducing others. So, I would like you to read this, Phoebe as Feby, Iyun as Wahyuni, and I will read the chair. Okay, please go on.
She is Chia. Do you know her?
No, I don't.
Let me introduce you to her. Hi Chia, this is my neighbor, Iyun. Iyun, this is Chia, my classmate.
Hi Iyun, nice to meet you.
Hello, Chia. Nice to meet you too.
Oke, thank you. Jadi di sini tahu kan sudah perbedaannya bagaimana cara memperkenalkan diri sendiri dan orang lain?
Tell me.
Oh, Miss.
Okay, next, this is the example of introducing yourself and others in paragraphs. So, tadi kan udah contohnya bentuknya dialog, and yang ini contohnya in paragraph. So, I would like you to read this one person. Who's want to read?
And
Okay, Wahyuni.
hello, my name is Tia and I live in Medan, the third biggest city in Indonesia. I go to Islamic High School. I am 18 years old and turning 19 in November 12. My favorite subjects are math and English. I love to broadly talk about books. My hobby is listening to music and reading books. Thank you. Nice to meet you all. Hello. Let me introduce my friend to you. Her name is Phoebe. She is 19 years old. She is my best friend. She loves to talk about anime and doing art. Please be nice to her. See you.
Great, thank you, Wahyuni. Okay, that's all the explanation about introducing yourself and others. Selanjutnya, we move to the exercise. Okay, exercise activity yang pertama, practice in class with your friends. So here I ask you to introduce yourself and others. For example, maybe you introduce yourself and then you introduce Wahyuni, and then Wahyuni begitu juga. Okay, please.
Okay. Hello, my name is Feby. Let me introduce my friend to you. She is Wahyuni. She is 19 years old. She is my best friend. She loves to talk about a movie and cats. Please be nice to her. See you.
Okay, great. Thank you, baby. And then Wahyuni, please.
Hello. Good morning. My name is Wahyuni Duyani. I'm 19 years old. Let me introduce my friend to you. Her name is Dewi Tami. She is 18 years old. She is my best friend, and she loves to talk about K-pop. Thank you.
Okay, thank you. Great. Oke, kemudian activity yang kedua, di sini Miss akan memberikan kalian video. You have to watch the video carefully because after that I will ask you with several questions. Oke, kita tonton dulu videonya.
Oh, it's John. What's up, John?
Hey, great to see you guys.
We were just talking about you.
Where are you from? Oh, I'm from Sweden.
Wow, Sweden? It's really far away.
It's not that far compared to other countries in Europe.
Do people speak English in Sweden?
No, we use Swedish. But you are really fluent in English. Thanks. My dad is a diplomat, so I grew up in many different countries.
Wow. Which country have you been?
Mostly all European countries, such as Germany and France, and Dubai in the Middle East. Oh, and South Korea in Asia.
South Korea? That's where my family come from.
Oh, really? Korea is an awesome country.
Right. Really nice to meet you, John.
John, are you good at yo-yo?
Of course. I can do tricks with this.
Wow! Nice!
Okay, that's the video. Do you have watched the video carefully?
Yes, Miss.
Okay, now I ask you to answer this following question. There are 5 questions. Who's want to answer the first one?
Saya, Miss.
Okay. Oke, Wahyuni duluan ya.
Number 1. Is John introducing himself in the video? Yes, John was introducing himself in video.
Okay, great. Thank you, Wahyuni. And then number 2?
Saya, Miss.
Okay, baby.
Number 2. Where is he from? He is from Sweden.
Okay, great. And next, number 3.
Saya, Miss.
Okay, Wahyuni.
Saya, Miss. Number 3. Who is John's father? John's father is a diplomat.
Great. And then number 4. Who want to answer?
Me, Miss.
Okay, baby.
Number 4. Can he speak English fluently? Why? Yes, he can speak English fluently because he grew up in different countries.
Yes, great. Thank you. And then the last one, who want to answer?
Saya, Miss.
Okay, Wahyuni.
Number 5. What tense did John use in the conversation? He used simple present tense.
And then write the example. Okay, who want to mention the example?
Me, Miss.
Okay, baby.
Example, my name is John. I'm from Sweden.
Okay, great. Thank you, Baby Utami and Wahyuni Juliani. Jadi di video tadi ada seorang anak yang namanya John. He was introducing himself and he's from Sweden. His father is a diplomat. He can speak English fluently because he grew up in many different countries. Okay. Next. Oke, ini jadi homework ya. Miss minta kalian please make a short video introducing yourself and introducing one of your friends. Kalau nggak friends juga nggak apa-apa, misalnya your family or idol, That's up to you. Oke, jadi ada yang bisa menyimpulkan apa yang telah kita pelajari hari ini?
Tentang perkenalan dan memperkenalkan orang lain, Miss.
Oke, great. Thank you, Wahyuni. Jadi, materi kita hari ini itu bagaimana cara introducing ourselves and others in a good way. Oke, untuk tugas yang tadi, untuk yang short video dikumpulkan besok ya. Oke, sampai sini ada pertanyaan lagi atau sudah paham?
Sudah paham, Miss.
Sudah paham, Miss.
Oke, karena sudah paham, kita akan tutup kelasnya. Before we close our class today, let's say hamdalah together. Alhamdulillahirrabbilalamin.
Alhamdulillahirobbilalamin.
Alhamdulillahirrahmanirrahim.
Thank you for your participation and attention. See you on the next week. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam
Waalaikumsalam
warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Thank you, Miss.
You're welcome.